You know, everybody starts somewhere. It's a universal truth, whether you're an artist, a writer, or a content creator. The beginning is always the hardest part. Mine was this little idea, just a spark of inspiration that I couldn't ignore. Share my passion for your niche with the world. I wanted to connect with people who felt the same way I did. How hard could it be, right? I mean, it's just talking to a camera and sharing what I love. I dove headfirst into YouTube, camera in hand, heart full of hope. Early days, rough man, really rough. Learning to edit, the tech stuff, trying to figure out what people actually wanted to watch. It was a steep learning curve. I'm talking single-digit views, some from my mom probably. It was disheartening, but I knew I had to keep pushing. But hey, gotta start somewhere. Every big journey begins with a single step, right? The thing is, I believed in this. I had a vision, a dream that I wasn't ready to give up on. Knew I had something to offer. So I kept going. I kept creating, kept learning, kept improving. One video a week, then two. Consistency was key, and I was determined to make it work. Every upload was a learning experience. Each video taught me something new about myself and my audience. Slowly but surely, the views started ticking up. It was a slow climb, but every small victory felt monumental. Let me tell you, consistency is key. It's not just about working hard, but about working smart and staying dedicated. This wasn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It was a journey filled with ups and downs, moments of doubt, and times when I questioned everything. It was about showing up day after day, week after week, even when nobody was watching. The late nights, the early mornings, the endless editing sessions. Doubts crept in, of course. There were times when I felt overwhelmed, wondering if all this effort was in vain. Is this even worth it, I'd ask myself? The fear of failure loomed large, and the uncertainty was daunting. But then I'd get a comment, maybe an email, from someone saying how much my videos helped them. Those small moments of appreciation made a huge difference. That's what kept me going. Knowing that my work was making an impact, no matter how small, gave me the motivation to continue. I started connecting with other creators, learning from the best. We shared tips, supported each other, and grew together. Studied what worked, what didn't. I spent countless hours analyzing data, understanding trends, and refining my approach. Experimented with different content, different styles. I wasn't afraid to try new things, to step out of my comfort zone. The grind was real, but it was shaping me, pushing me to be better. Every challenge was an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become more resilient. And then something clicked. I found my voice, my style. Started injecting more of my personality into the videos, being myself, flaws and all. That's when things really started to take off. The audience grew, slowly at first, then faster and faster. It was amazing. People resonated with my energy, my passion. They felt like they knew me, and that's what mattered most. I doubled down on what worked, created more content around those themes, engaged with my audience, responded to comments, built a community. It became this incredible feedback loop, pushing me to create even better content. Section 4, the breakthrough video. Then came the video, the one that changed everything. I poured my heart and soul into it, knew it was special, but I never could have predicted what happened next. It went viral, like, really viral. Millions of views in a matter of days. Subscriptions exploded. My phone was blowing up. It was surreal. That video wasn't just a video, it was a culmination of all the hard work, all the lessons learned, all the doubts overcome. It was proof that with enough passion and dedication, anything is possible. Section 5, 1 million strong and beyond. Hitting that 1 million subscriber mark was emotional, overwhelming, a dream come true. It felt like all the hard work, the late nights, and the endless brainstorming sessions had finally paid off. The journey to this point was filled with ups and downs, but reaching this milestone made it all worth it. But it wasn't just about the number. It was about the people behind those numbers, the community that rallied around the content, the shared moments, and the collective joy. It was about the community we'd built, the lives we'd touched. Doors started opening. Brand deals, collaborations, and opportunities that seemed like distant dreams were now within reach. Each new connection brought new possibilities, opportunities I'd only dreamed of. The excitement of signing that first big contract, the thrill of planning new collaborations, and the endless potential for growth. But more importantly, it gave me a platform, a voice to make a real difference in the world. It was a chance to speak out on issues that mattered, to inspire change, and to be a positive force. A voice to make a real difference in the world, from participating in charity events to volunteering and using the platform to raise awareness for important causes. It hasn't always been easy. There were moments of doubt, times when the pressure felt overwhelming and days when it seemed impossible to keep up. The pressure's on to keep delivering, to stay relevant, the constant need to innovate, to come up with fresh ideas, and to keep the audience engaged. But I wouldn't trade it for the world. The joy of creating, the satisfaction of seeing a project come to life, and the connection with the audience make it all worthwhile. This journey has taught me more than I could have ever imagined. It's been a roller coaster of emotions, a test of resilience, and a testament to the power of community and creativity. Section 6. Keep hustling, keep creating. If you're reading this, chasing your own dreams, I want you to know, it's possible. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Put in the work, stay true to yourself, and never give up. Find your passion, share it with the world. Be consistent, engage with your audience, and most importantly, have fun, because when you're passionate about what you do, it shows, and people will take notice. So go out there, crush it. The world is waiting to hear your story.